My dear friends, today I want to show you how work real working hack Phonics bet for Aviator Crash game. Look at this. This is my official Telegram channel, Shark1x Games, and me. If you want this real working hack Phonics bet for Aviator Crash game, look at this. Shark1x Games, my channel, and me, my personal account. If you want this hack, go to the. I show you actual fresh date and fresh time, 11th May today, and let's go. Go to the Google Chrome. Shark1xbet. This is 1xbet official website. Press this. And look, this is 1xbet official website, guys. You see, all this real, don't worry. You see, my friends, all this real. Actual fresh date, fresh time today, right now. And let's go. I want to show you how I make money easy and fast. Go, Shark. My application. 1xbet. And look at this. Next coefficient, guys, when Aviator crash. Look at this. Yes, it's worked perfect, guys. It's amazing. Okay, take it this and place a bet and show you how I win money right now in front of your eyes. Look. Amazing. It's amazing, guys. It's a real work perfect. Okay, place a next bet. You see, guys, I win money. It's amazing, guys. It's real cool and work perfect. I like it. It's real. I missed this bet again because it's low coefficient, guys. Just wait. I'm just wait when be big coefficient. Yes, I place a bet because it's big coefficient. I like it. And now I want to show you how I win money easy and fast. Yes, you see, guys, I win. It's real work perfect, guys. This is my official Telegram channel and me. If you want this real working hack for 1xbet for Aviator Crash game. It's real work perfect, guys. Look, you see, it's amazing. It's a real work, guys. Look, actual history from today. You see, time and date, and you see my balance right now. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time today, guys. You see. Okay, press confirm. Press OK. And now, just wait a little bit when my money withdraws from 1xbet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit and my money withdraws. It's real amazing. It's cool. It's worked perfect. I like it. It's amazing, guys. Actual fresh date and fresh time today, you see. Just wait when my money withdraws. Yes, status change to approved. My money withdraws, guys, you see. Thank you for Viv, guy. Bye bye, see you later. You see, money withdraws.